everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, I bring you Birchbox. Yes, Birchbox is a monthly subscription. This is August of 2019. Let me explain a little bit about Birchbox. Birchbox is $15 a month. They did change the pricing on the women's box. And it comes every month unless you cancel. I got mine during a Black Friday deal, so I only paid about maybe $75, $80 for the entire year. So I'm paid up till November. Like I said, it is $15 a month. And now what they do customization boxes, and of course I got there too late. I think it goes up at like 8 o'clock in the morning on the 2nd of the month, and I was an hour later and everything was sold out, so I didn't have much to choose from. I had one box to choose from, and I'm like, hey, whatever, it is what it is. I gotta be on it. I gotta set an alarm clock or something, because like I said, you could customize. I think they had 4 variations of a box, and I got this one, so let's see what's inside. I didn't really look to see what the customization was. I just knew that I couldn't pick anything, and this was the only one. So let's get started. So as you can see, it does come in a box inside of another box, and this is August of 2019. Let's see what it says. Exciting, like it has exciting and then my name and address, so it's pretty cool. So this is the box. It is a pink and a purpley box. No, pink and blue. Purple. I'm colorblind today. And of course we have oh, this is cute. So this is the same inside. And it has this, what does it say? Just for subscribers, 100 extra points. When you spend $50 with code GET100, that's an extra $10 to spend in the shop. I never really shop in Birchbox. Reason number 257 to love Birchbox. When you shop with us, you automatically get rewarded. Everyone earns 10% cash back. Wait, no. Everyone earns 10% back on all full-size shop purchases, and aces earn 13% back. So that's cool. I've never really bought any of these, so I'm not an ace. I'm not a nothing. Oh, this is pretty neat. So of course it comes with a piece of paper telling you what's inside of your box and how much the full-size items are, because we only get 5 sample sizes. 5 sample sizes in this $15 box. That makes it $3 a sample. Sometimes you get full-size products, you know, I give it to them. So old school summertime, remember cootie catchers? Who remembers cootie catchers? I used to make these all the time. So you would cut right here and then fold it up and make a cootie catcher. Kind of cool. I remember these. So let's get started. So we have the pink tissue paper, and then we open her up, and there are your products. I mean, I don't think I'm going to renew Birchbox at the end of this subscription plan that I have, only because most of the time, maybe 80% of the time, what comes in these boxes I don't use ever. So excuse me, but I keep getting like this weird like clicking noise in my ear every time I talk, so don't mind me. Okay, so what is the first thing? So the first thing I'm going to pull out of there is this big one. This is another Orbi Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. Oh, so we got mousse this time. Smells okay. Normally we get dry shampoo. You know what? I'm going to use this. Like, nothing in here. So what is this? Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. The full size is $39. What? Work a golf ball size dollop throughout damp hair. Well, I'm gonna try it on my. Ooh. It rolled away. Give me one sec. It rolled right off my hands onto my legs. and onto my feet. I caught it with my feet. I caught it like this. Oh, it smells good. Oh, jeez, what the? It smells like cologne, actually. Let's put some in my dry hair. It smells good, actually. Okay. Well, I don't know what it's supposed to do inside dry hair. Probably nothing. Get all dirty. Oh. But it smells good. Just be careful. Oh, just be careful because it rolls away. But it smells good. It smells like soap, like clean. It smells fresh. So the full size is $39. Would I pay $39 for a mousse? No, I would not. I barely pay the $4 that or $5 that they sell the mousse now. So anyways, I don't even use mousse, to be honest. So there it is. This is $39, and I don't think I need volume. I think I have a lot of that. I had my hair braided, and now look. So I don't think I need mousse, but here it is, $39 for that, and it doesn't even sound like there's too much in there. So anyways, whatever, I digress. I'm talking too much about mousse. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out of the box is a complexion boosting moisturizer air repair. Is this something? Oh, okay, so I thought it was for hair again. No, so this here, oops, that. So the full size of this is $23. What the full size is, I don't know. This is 7 mLs, packed with antioxidants and humectants, which attract water molecules like a magnet. This rich cream revitalizes dry, dull, and stressed out skin. Now, is this enough to really test it on your skin? Probably not. This will probably last you a couple days, and maybe or maybe not, you will be able to tell if that does anything for you. But I tend to stick with serums or oils, especially around my cheeks, because that's where it's really dry. And I use oils and all that for under makeup. It works wonders. Okay, again, I digress. Okay, so the next thing is the Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator. Enzymatic, I can't say that word. Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Whatever. Don't make fun out of me. I did that all alone. So the full size of this rejuvenator is $34. Again, what the $34 bottle looks like, no sé, no te puedo decir, but that's this one. And this one's actually a nicer size. This is 0.71 ounces, so almost the full, almost a 1 ounce. Do these have all? Oh no, this one doesn't have. This one does not have. Oh, there's like barely anything in there to really squeeze it. Oh, it feels okay. This is gonna work because I can feel the little crystals to really cleanse the skin. So now I need water. Well, when I'm done with this, but I can feel the little. I think that's gonna be good. I think we've received this too before. Okay. Anyways, the next thing. I hate this. So if anybody, you know what? I'm gonna put all this stuff in a giveaway because I don't think I'm gonna use any of it. I'm not even gonna use this. And this is the MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. So I think I'm gonna put this whole box in a giveaway and just random. So leave a comment down below on this video and I'll choose somebody and send them this box of stuff, except for one thing, but I'll probably throw something else. So we'll talk about it in a minute. So this is the MAC Extreme. Look at this little bitty sample. Seriously, you get these free when you order something online. The regular size one of this is $24. I no longer use MAC mascara. I used a colorful one time and it like screwed up my eyes big time. A red one. I looked like I was drugged out. My eyes were so bloodshot red. Anyway, that's the 3D Black Lash Mascara. I don't use MAC mascara anymore. I like my Thrive Cosmetics. And then the next thing and the last thing is this Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. This is a full size and this is exclusive to Birchbox. I was gonna say because we've received these a lot in Birchbox. So that's the lip balm, and then it's purple like my background. So it's a purple. I don't know, it smells like, it says Berry Busy, full size, $15. EOS is like $3. Just saying. So yeah, you know what? I'll probably give away the whole box. So I will give away everything that came in this box except for the cootie catcher. That I'll keep. Maybe I'll just make a copy of it. Anyway, let me know in the comment section down below if you like this box. If you want to be entered into the giveaway, enter me. Just as long as you're a subscriber to my channel and you leave a comment down below, enter me, I will send you the box. I'll send you this entire box of goodies. Just put down enter me, and I'll leave this up for like a week. What's today's date? Today's the 8th. I will leave this open up until the I don't know. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. Calendar. You know what? I'll leave this open till the 17th. Yeah, next Saturday, the 17th. Everybody comment down below if you want this box. Just put enter me and what item you liked out of it, if you liked anything at all. I mean, I wouldn't feel offended if nobody entered the contest. But I probably won't leave it in this box. I'll probably just throw everything in an envelope and send it to you. It's a little cheaper for me for shipping. But yeah, comment down below, enter me, be a subscriber, like this video, and I will pick someone from the comment section. And that's everything I have for you. So until next time, America, and everywhere else you're watching me from, have a fantabulous day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you're notified of all my future releases, and hit that thumbs up if you want to be entered into this giveaway. And that's about it. So I will talk to you in the next one. Hasta Laterz.